So you might be trying to figure out how you can replace a post on Instagram. Now, what does this mean? Well, there's a couple of things what this could basically mean. The first thing is you can go through and change a lot of things within an Instagram photo without having to replace the whole entire post. Because replacing the post requires to delete it. However, if you don't want to delete it, you just want to change some text or something, what you can always do is just tap inside of that particular photo that you have. So let's say it's just this photo that I had here. What I can do is I can click on the three dots in the top right corner of these photos. So tap right into there, and then what I can do here is I can click on this edit button right here. So tap on edit, and you have a lot of things you can basically change here. So for number one, you can go ahead and basically change this description down here. If you want to change it to a different description, you can tap right into here and just change it. You can also change your tags. So you can click on the tag here and change that. The alternative text, if you have that, you can change that here too. You can also change your collaborators, your paid partnership label, ad location, all those things, right? But if you want to change that photo, the only way to go ahead and replace an Instagram photo is by deleting this original photo and reposting that photo. So what this would basically look like is, let's say I had this photo right here. If I wanted to replace it without changing the stuff, I would want to click on the top three dots in the top right corner of that photo, and I would have to click on delete. So what this is going to do is it's going to delete that Instagram photo. So here I would just go and tap onto the delete button. And then what I want to do is I want to repost the photo with the proper photo or proper whatever. So I can click on the plus button down here. I can go and give it access to all my photos. And then I can find the photo that I want, right? Let's say I wanted to post this photo. I can tap right into here. And then what I can do is I can just go and click on next, and I can start changing up this photo and start replacing that photo's description and everything within here. So that's basically how to do it. Again, it's annoying because you have to go through and you have to replace it, but that's basically how it's done for the most part. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.